Hello guys and welcome to my very first video here on this channel. My name is Cargnesium, as you probably already have seen down there in the description, or basically next to my product picture. And this here is my little cutie garage here. It's the main car, it's a BMW. It's a BMW, well, I'm lost, never mind. This is a BMW E36 318i, I guess, and this is a Volkswagen Golf MK4, which probably have some issues with his engine, but that's not a problem for now. Our main goal today is to fix the front bumper of this shitbox, because I can show you it is a little loose for now. Don't know if this is good. Yeah, but to look under it, I guess we have to use some zip ties because all the screws and bolts are in it and it's still loose. And it seems like my side skirts came off, so I guess I have to put it on these tracks so we can lift the whole car, because my original stuff is very fucked. As you can see here, it's a little bit bent and not this good anymore, so yeah. I lift this shit up and we see us in a few seconds. Well, I just remembered I didn't tell anything about this besides the loose front bumper. Maybe you have already seen it, but this is not the original bumper. This is in my home space. This is just a kind of M3 fake, as well as the body kit is used to be on drifters. The backside is for now done with some filler. We have to prepare us to paint it still, and we got rid of the starter, or the back doors. And of course at the back we do also have a fake M3 spoiler and some back parts, rear bumper I guess. And the main problem with this is, I already told you that this is fucked up, and yeah, this is not the proper space to do it, but we have to get these in front and the back, and the only way to get it up is to do it like this, because the whole thing is broken. So I have to do this for quite a while. Last time we did it, it took about 5 to 10 minutes to get the whole car in the air. Hope today it's not going to be that long, but it requires a lot of strength if you want to get the car fully up. Okay, we are on the car now, and I see this house, but I guess this is for the intakes here. So basically we just have to use this stuff here, or maybe we can grab one of these here, down here. And now it does sit a little tighter. Okay. Yeah, let's put it inside here and use this. And use this. Probably you're not gonna see anything now. But it's okay, so. What happens if we put this little, so open it up here. We might have to use some force now. Don't know if this does anything at all. Okay, it might not work. Perfect. 20 minutes later I came up with a solution. So I'm just using this and this where the front inlet will be, at least the screw pipe. And it is a little bit better now, but for this side we first have to get rid of this shit. See if you can do some damage here. Perfect. And the light is gone. Right. So here we go again. This was kind of here. So come on. Oh. It just broke. How the fuck can this break? And where is it? It's just broken. This might even be the better try. Just let me put the light here for a second. Put the front bumper even higher. Whoops. Okay. But it gets better and better, I guess. So just tighten up the other side. Perfect. Okay, I'll be right back. So this is very tightened up, and what about this? So let's see. This is moving here. This is, but this is almost perfect. So we just have to care about this. Maybe we can do here. Just tighten up here a little bit more. And please don't break. Okay. Okay. So this is just a little game of wiggling now. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do so, hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see us in the next video. Bye.